He's got to be fast and agile and strike in just 4 seconds. Few flying creatures can do this. Meerkats are in a precarious position of being both predator and prey in the Kalahari's food chain. These skies are home to a range of raptors. The meerkat's eyes are always staring up for a potential threat. However, the threat this time comes from beneath the skies. A goshawk usually seen in the sky. But watch out for a sneak attack. Suddenly, everyone is concerned about himself. With her excess weight, this mother's body can no longer keep up. More sensations are flowing via her paws and less through her womb, which means Princess is getting less oxygen. Let's face it, if Mom can't flee, her babies will end up down the bird's throat. Here he is, using his wings. Missed. 6 weeks have passed. The puppies are already born. And here comes another threat. None of these birds of prey is more formidable than Africa's biggest, the Martial eagle. The sentry sounds the alarm. The babies run for their lives. Through vigilance and teamwork, the gang have outsmarted the eagle. The group is in constant communication. It's a compulsive paranoia that keeps them alive.